Hi, welcome to Wowe Foods channel. Now we are making no flour upside down cake. So for that we need these ingredients. Wash the cranberries well and drain them with no water. Take cake pan and arrange butter paper on all the sides. So brush with butter now. Now take a saucepan, add half stick or butter or slightly more. Let the butter melt. So while the butter is melting, add coconut nectar sugar. I'm using this because it's better than regular sugar and it stays granulated. If you want, you can use jaggery. Try with jaggery and let me know how it works and how it turned out. This coconut nectar sugar is even good for the people who follows keto diet. The main motto behind this recipe is not to spend much time for making the cake and to make it less additive. Once it mixes well, just add it to the cake pan. So this consistency is enough. As you have already prepared the cake pan, just add this mixture to that. I have used 8 inches cake pan here. So this is how it should look. You can arrange cranberries in the heart shape or whatever shape you prefer. Now, as I am making this as an occasion for Valentine's Day, I am making this in the heart shape and I am surrounding it with sunflower seeds because sunflower seeds are good for heart, sunflower oil is good, so that's why I am doing this. If you feel that the mixture is getting solidified, keep this pan on low flame, very low flame on the stove top for 1 or 2 minutes. The mixture will get liquefied again, or in hot water, totally works. Whew, this is how it looks after arranging the heart shape. Now I am arranging sunflower seeds in the rest of the area. So let's arrange it. Cool, I have arranged it. So this is how it looks, and now we are adding the prepared batter to this pan. For the batter, I have used whole urad dal and granulated rice. Let the whole urad dal soak for 2 days and let it sprout. And blend it in a mixer or grinder or food processor. Once it is blended, add the soaked granulated rice to it and let the mixture ferment it for overnight. I will include that video soon. So if you want to prepare it instantly, try with the store-bought or homemade idli batter. But it won't come as fluffy as this. But you can still try it. There is no harm and it won't go to waste. The key here is not using baking soda. That is the main reason behind this. If you prefer, you can add sugar in the batter. But I am not adding it here. So the batter is sugar free and very less amount of salt. So this is how you should arrange the batter. Once it's arranged, let it steam for around 35 to 40 minutes on medium flame. After 40 minutes, switch off the flame and let it cool for 15 minutes. So once it's cooled, let the steam go out. Then take the pan and the edges. If you want to make it instant, try with the idli batters at home or turn the cake carefully upside down. This cake won't stay firmly together, so you should be careful while turning upside down. So this is how it looks. You are about to open and reveal good looking cake with no flour, no oven, no baking soda mainly. This is how our cake looks. Let's decorate it. You can still even present like this, still taste good, or just make the shape out of it and decorate with cream. So it looks like this. Even without any decorations, it looks very good. So I have cut the cake to make particular shape of heart. Now the cut piece is like this. It looks so good with the glaze, sugar glaze on the top. I'm decorating with the buttercream frosting now, which I purchased from outside. This is how I decorated the cake. Not great, but works. I have decorated the side with the rice mochi cakes, and this will stay up to 12 hours fine, but the cranberries on the top will be wilted like this. So try to make it as fresh as possible and consume within a day. So you can decorate on the cream with the glazed sunflower seeds too. It will look good and taste even better. So this is how it looks for presenting too. It tastes great with cranberry tanginess and sugar sweetness. Enjoy with your loved ones.